Guys, welcome. A special thank you to everyone who took their time and subscribed to our channel. We'll be sure to upload more videos for you guys. And we wish you all the best this semester. So without wasting any time, today we'll be doing examples under set theory, as I promised in the previous video. This is example number 1. So guys, before we start, I'll advise you guys to subscribe and click on the notification button so that you can be notified every time we post a new video. If you have checked out our channel, you'll see that under the Enviro's playlist we only have one video. We are working on that and we'll be sure to start uploading very soon, even though we know that we are behind schedule. So make sure you press the notification button so that you get a notification every time we post. Thank you. So given this set diagram, we have to use set notations to describe the shaded set. So this is very difficult to explain, but I'll try. So you have to do one set at a time so that you don't get confused. So we'll start with this one here. So here I just want to explain a few things. So guys, you can see that in that example we have 4 sets. We have set A, set B, set C, and D. So we have 4 sets. So we have to give the set notations for the shaded parts in the question. So guys, you have to do one set at a time. So we can see that the shaded part in this diagram is this one. So we have to give a notation for this shaded set here. So you can see that the set is a subset of set A. So you can see that it's part of A, so we are going to say A, but not all of it is shaded. Not A is the whole set, ne? Not all of it is shaded. So now we have to eliminate these spaces here. So you can see that this is part of set B. This is set B, and this part here is not shaded. So we are going to say intersect B complement. So you know that B complement is everything that is not part of B, but the set B complement, which is everything that is not part of B, intersects with A here. So this set now, thus far we've shown that so thus far it means now we are considering this part. Now when we're saying A intersect with B complement, we are referring to this part, but there's still this part that is also not shaded, so we need to also account for that. So you can see that this part is part of the set C, right? So it's where like A and C intersect. So now we also have to account for this part. So we are going to say intersect C complement, right? So we know that C complement is every part that does not belong in set C. So it's everything that is not in set C. But where this set C complement intersects with what we already have, so you can see that set C is this part, right, going there. Remember the orange one, where's my orange thing? The orange one shows us A, right? So we said it's A. So we were saying it should intersect with B complement. So we got that that set shows us or represents this part now. So but this part is not shaded, so we also have to remove it somehow. So we are going to say intersect C complement. So you know that C complement is everything that is not part of C. So we are going to say intersected. So we know that it is going to be this part. So for this set, this shaded set, this notation is correct. So this notation represents this. So A intersects B complement. This is where A, the green part, this is where A and B complement intersect. So now we are saying now that set we've described, we are going to say intersect with C complement. So where they intersect is the shaded part. I told you before, guys, that this is very difficult to explain, but I'll try. Yeah, so guys, you don't have to redraw the set every time it is given to you. I'm just trying to explain to you. You can just work on your paper. So this time we can see that the shaded part is this one. So I won't do what I did when explaining the first set. I think now you've got the idea and you have to get used to doing it, né? So now we can see that so we are going to say union, né? We are going to say union. So we can see that A is not part of this shaded set. So we are going to say A complement intersect B is this part here. The whole part in pink is A. In A complement intersects with B, right? So we can see that we haven't described the given set. So we are going to say, so we need to also remove this part, né? We are going to say intersect C complement. So where A complement intersect B and intersects C complement, excuse me, it's going to be this part now, the green part. You see the green part. So now we also have to account for this part. We also have to make sure that it is removed. So we are going to say intersect D complement, right? Because D complement is everything that is not part of D. So now that set You see? So now that set describes the shaded set. So we are going to say, after that, we are going to say union. So guys, it's like every time when you want to say the set and that set, you just add a union. Describing or giving the notation of the set, so we can see that the subset is part of D, right? But there are those small things we have to remove or account for. So the set, describing the set, we are going to get B complement, right? B complement, which is everything that is not part of B, ne? But we are going to say intersect with C complement. We're trying to remove that C complement, and intersect with D, right? Intersect with D. So we are describing, or it's the notation of the set. One may ask, why did you not include A? Guys, you can see that set A and D are disjoint sets. So meaning that you know that from the previous video I explained that a disjoint set, it means that A intersect D is a null set. They are just disjoint sets, so we don't have to mention A in that case. Guys, it's very far from this thing. So we are going to say union. I hope you are writing the solution in one line, because it's one thing. It's just that here it's a little bit messy, so yeah. So the last one, this part. Now for this one, we are going to have A complement intersect B complement intersect C intersect D complement. So it's this part here. So for this one, the small one, you can see that it's a point where B intersects with C and also intersects with D. So that point is B intersects C intersects D.